Nenyo kamenge yume teke ore bakane. O kamenge luwe teke zaure bakane. O waya. Nenyo kamenge luwe teke zaure bakane. O kamenge yume teke zaure bakane. O waya. Nezaka abonya ba ambezaka. Afab kembo gomoko yimo joy kok e wele njeke pepe nteke zaka. Bore kabaka nga ke ganje rona. Nke tubo e kup kambang ye kumezaka Germany. Wara kpere ko fo ku ube a chinchora mare mezaka. Ke yimbok nyimba nyi ke ba ko ya wona yi. Are wor ke bo bisi bare urazaka se wora ke yeze. Ebop njare se yore bakane. Yore bakane. Ore bakane. Njo kesere sore nzaka. Ongo choro yumatek. Ongo choro zaka. But busy ba. Oreo bakane. So ask yourself, what kind of a person are you? You are an Ejakan person. You don't speak the language. You bear the name. You come from Ejakan region. You have a culture. You have a tradition. You don't speak your language. Who are you? What kind of a person are you? But busy ba. Oreo bakane. Nse waren zaka nye waren zaka. Oru kan teke zaka. Ofo lutek. Kongo chore zaka. Oreo bakane. Oke chor yumentek yimbakane. Okeriri ndimbakane. Kezeri. Eze lutek. Eze yumentek okamenge. Ore bakane. Babisi ba. So, yum jure ba anji. Arake tire wat. Nsero babisi ba rekabe nka oka kobre tu. Eka tonga se o changne yongwangwang ore ne yongwang. Please don't take it as an abuse when you ask yourself, what kind of a person are you? An Ejakan person who doesn't speak the language? It is not an abuse, please. Don't misunderstand me. I'm challenging myself as well as challenging you to take your culture, to take your tradition, your identity very, very serious. If you are an Ejakan person, you hit your chest. Like myself, I come from Kembong. I'm very, very proud of that. I always say I'm Obli Kembong. Ndemo Kembong. Wherever I enter, I raise myself. I raise my head up and I hit my chest. I say I come from Kembong. I'm proud of that. You should do the same. Ofo ke jongo bisiba yo sambange o sum gangaya se ne monzaka ore mo fap ore mo wole ore mo kok ore mo mojok ore mo sing ore mo funi ore mo jayo nip o chekze ke jongo ze yumatek. What are you waiting for? You should be proud of your identity. Ngiro bli yasak ngire ze yasak ngir nyokbu yasak areze lutek. It is not about your level of education, not about your birth certificate, it's not about a passport. It is your identity. You are an Ejakan person, you should be proud of that. And it is your responsibility to uphold that culture, to uphold that identity. I'm reminding you this 2021, that you should join us, do whatever it is possible, do anything that you can do within your power to promote the Ejakam identity, to promote the Ejakam culture. In Kevin, one pepe, on about a chambechi, a chambizi, a chamtit, a gomos relutek. Ye peba zoom jere ke komeza, ke kabe, ntubo kawa chame kumeza, yen jagazum, tongue parake ari, tongue parake chonchot, tongue sefari riezaka. Do everything within your reach to enhance our identity, enhance our culture. Be proud of it. You must not join a Kumejakam Germany or a Kumejakam Nordrhein-Westfalen. Do anything that you think is within your reach. You can teach people how to prepare Jakam food. You can talk about Jakam dressing and culture. There are a lot of things that you can do so that together we can uplift our identity. And that is what defines us. If you don't have it, please, you are lost. Voter. If you don't have an identity, voter. Don't go about be proud of some other person's identity. I have an English passport, I am an American, I'm a German and things like that. You are deceiving yourself. You are lost, my brother. You are lost. What did you rekamba if all you raise any magantek? A castle sending your name up for you, man, pulling it. Tuwo on a chengang, castle or mozaka, vota, monye, vota. Dunge, unarunge keno. Mangamere tambendibara. Mbao kebati rewon. Kambang ye kumezaka erunge ntubo kambang eze yumatek Rota dunge. Ne nyo kamenge yume tege ore o bakane. O kamenge luwe tege zaore o bakane. O waya. Ne nyo kamenge luwe tege zaore bakane. O kamenge yume tege zaore o bakane. O waya. Eya. Ore o bakane. Ne nyo kamenge yume tege zaore o bakane. O waya. Molo onko kwa rakeba. Yumane chonga baka onko kwa. Una kumenono.